fractions problems, and in this particular one we've got unknowns on both sides. 20y minus 16 equals 18y minus 9. Whenever you've got unknown on both sides, you need to decide which side you're going to move your y's to. And in this case, I'm going to choose the left-hand side because there are more y's on the left than there are on the right. And to get rid of the ones on the right, I'm going to need to take them away because they are positive. So I'm going to take away 18y from the left-hand side. I'm going to do the same to the right-hand side. Taking away 18 from 20y will leave me with just 2. Nothing's happened to the numbers. Taking away 18y from the right-hand side means we're just left with minus 9. Now we've got to deal with the numbers. We've got all our y's on the left-hand side, but there's some numbers on the left-hand side too. Actually minus 16. So to change that, we're going to add 16 to both sides. Adding 16 to both sides will get rid of the minus 16. And if we add 16 to the right-hand side, we're going to end up with whatever 16 added on to minus 9 is, which is 7. Now, we don't want 2y, we just want 1y, so we're going to divide by 2. And do the same to the other side, giving us an answer of y equals 3.5. As ever, you should always check your answers. And to check that, we're going to need to substitute 3.5 back into our original equation. So we have 20 times 3.5 minus 16 is equal to 18 times 3.5 minus 9. If we've got the right answer, then both sides should work out to be the same. 20 times 3.5, 20 times 3 is 60, and then the half of 20 is 10, giving us 70 minus 16, and 18 times 3.5 is 63. Work that out, we get 54 equals 54, meaning our answer is correct, which means we can now write it in as 3.5. On this second question, there is a fraction involved in it, or a divide by 3. And because we were dividing the left-hand side by 3, what we can do is times both sides by 3 to get rid of that slightly awkward looking fraction. If we times the left-hand side by 3, it just means it cancels out the 3 that 40 minus x is being divided by, leaving us with 40 minus x. And if we times the right-hand side by 3, we get 12 plus 3x, because everything is times by 3. Now we've got a situation where we've got x's on both sides. 3x on the right hand side, negative x on the left hand side. There are more x's on the right hand side, so that's where I'm going to move them over to. I need to do the opposite of this minus x. So I'm going to add on x to both sides, giving me 40, because that minus x has gone away. And if I add x onto the right hand side as well, we get plus 4x. Now I've got numbers on both sides, and I'd like to leave just x's on the right hand side, so I'm going to need to take away 12. Taking away 12 from the left hand side will give us 28, and from the right hand side just leave us with the 4x. So that's just with one more step to go. We're going to need to divide both sides by 4, because we only want to know 1x, and if I divide the left hand side by 4 as well, you should realise we're going to get 7. Therefore x equals 7. And once again, if we just check that, we've got 40 minus 7, which has been divided by 3, should be equal to 4 plus 7. 40 minus 7 is 33. And you'll notice that both those give 11. So we know that we're right.